everybody, how are you today? This is Bauer Maseli and I'm here to teach you English. In this video, I'm going to teach you something about nouns. As you know, we have countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And in this video, I'm going to teach you something about countable nouns. If you want to know it, please watch this video until the end. Just by adding s or es to the singular nouns, singular forms, you can change it to the plural forms. Okay? The first is book. Book. We say books. Books. Okay? Just we add s. Next, church. Church. Okay? We have ch. So it is yes. Churches. Churches. Next, knife. Knife. Okay, I don't have any more knife here. Okay, knife. You say knives. Knives. F should change to we. Okay, we say knives. Now, next, city. City. Okay, city has y at the end of this word. And before y, we have a consonant sound. So it should be ies. Okay, y should change to the I. We say cities. 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 Journey. Journey. Journeys. Journeys. Okay? So let's go through the next part. The following nouns have irregular plurals. So let's start. The first is man. Man. Man is singular. Man is plural. Man. More than one. Okay? More than one. More than one man, it is men. Men. Okay? Woman. Woman. It is singular. Women. Women. It is plural. Okay? We don't say woman. We say women. Women. Next, child. 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 Just one child. Okay? A child. Children. Children. We don't say children's or child's. Okay? We say children, just this. Foot. Foot, like football. Okay? Foot. The singular but plural feet. Feet. Tooth. Tooth. Teeth. Teeth. Okay? Mouse. Next. Mouse, like Jerry. Okay? Tom and Jerry. You know, this is a cartoon. Okay? This is a cartoon. Jerry is a mouse. Mouse is singular. Mice. Mice. More than one mouse. Mice is plural form of mouse. Goose. Goose. The plural is geese. Geese. So, let's go through the next part. We don't use some nouns in the plural, like advice, news, information, knowledge, work, progress, item, money, luggage, furniture, scenery, machinery. We don't use some nouns in the singular, like people, clothes, riches, wages, trousers, scissors, spectacles. Some nouns have the same form for the singular as for the plural. Now, the first is ship, ship. Second, deer, deer. Third, salmon, salmon. Okay, we don't say salmon, say salmon. Okay, now this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please share with your friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.